Hi everyone, David Mitchell from Bayview Renovations, and it's the end of week one of our Templeman Court project in Apendale Gardens, and everything is going along as planned and it looks so different. Let's get into it. So this is where the kitchen was and has been reframed. So if you remember, the kitchen just went around there and that was a solid wall. So this week we've removed the kitchen. We've framed in that cavity sliding door there. It'll slide back that way, as you can see there. We've put that lintel over the top of the doorway, and that'll allow the fridge to be here. You can see the plumbers have put in our water point here, and we've got our power point there as well for our fridge. And then on this side here, we've just relocated the gas point a little bit to the left to suit what we need it to be, proper location. And then obviously our new power points in the correct locations for above bench, the range hood, and all those types of things as well. One of the things that we had to do with the electrical was just update the size of the cable for the circuit for the oven. It was only running 16 amps, the old oven, whereas the new oven runs up to 26 amps. So we had to update, well, 22, I think it was 22 maximum. So we put in a 25 amp circuit, which is quite common. Sometimes we do see it. So that was done today. Also, we've updated the water points here for the sink, and obviously the drainage. And then we've removed also all the carpet in this area, tiles all through here as well. As you can see, we're just going to grind the glue up tomorrow afternoon. Today's Thursday. It's actually only day 4 of the project. And we've also removed the carpet here and then the tiles in the entry, which we'll get to after. Probably the biggest impact to this house will be, this in here used to be the dining room. So now we walk on into what is now a really big pantry. So you can see we've framed that wall out. We put another wall here dividing the end of the pantry, and the other side will actually be a mudroom. So as you walk through here from the kitchen, we'll have bench top here, overhead cupboards here, tiled splashback, and then on the left hand side, this whole bank of wall will be actually open shelving, which is really cool. And you can see here that door from this side where the architrave still needs to go on, but that cavity door basically disappears, and yeah, it'll look really cool. The clients have actually purchased a timber door, like a feature door with some black handles, and that'll look really cool. So today we've also added power points where we need to. All of the lights have been updated as well. So the down lights here and all through here, we picked a line with these lights that go all the way through right to the front door. So right the way through here, we lasered that, made sure that the whole row of lights, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lights all line up. And then, so that's the back of the pantry. And then in here, this is what's going to be a mudroom. So cabinetry on this side, so a seated area, some hooks on the back wall, and then a tall cupboard in the corner. One of the pockets in the back corner will be for the charging of devices of the kids. So that's really cool. Certain time, put the kids' stuff in there, and you know they can't get it anymore. But also, as you come in the front door, it's a dumping ground for bags and everything following school. So that's really cool as well. So yep, all the tiles are pulled up in here in this front entry, and then of course you can see back looking now, it's actually really cool. So on the right, it used to be just like an open sort of dining area. And what we've done is, and you can see from this side, that whole area now is a pantry that's servicing the kitchen. And then this here is a mudroom that you walk into as you come in. And I think that's really cool how that's been designed. And I mean, it's almost doubled the size of the kitchen. And then through this whole area here, where it's all been pulled up, that's all brand new timber flooring going in. So natural timber flooring. So that's going to look amazing once that's all done. So yeah, tomorrow we'll finish. Hopefully tomorrow afternoon we'll get to grinding the floors and getting all of the glue up. We'll make sure that the substrate flooring will be secured really well to try and stop all the squeaks as much as possible. The plaster delivery is coming tomorrow morning as well. And then on Monday, everything will be plastered. So actually tomorrow, we'll also put all the insulation in the walls. So Monday, all the plastering will be done. So next week, plastering, we should be able to sand it on Tuesday or Wednesday. And then following that, then we'll get to doing the floors. So yeah, a lot of progress in 4 days. So that's really cool. Once again, really proud of the team and really excited for the clients. The clients have been amazing. Thanks for watching.